Bannon. Hey guys. Hi. Hello, it's me. It's Lesley with Lesley Cooks and Bakes. Sorry about the glare, guys. This is going to be a really quick one. This is a great, low budget, easy, quick, get a dinner on the table meal. Let's do it. This is our version of the KFC famous bowls. Okay. So you can go get any kind of chicken bites. This is what we got. The great value. I got 3 bowls out here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to make Anthony's right here. Okay. So I'm going to take... I made instant mashed potatoes. I'll get him 2 scoopy scoops. Put it right there. Okay. Then we're going to get some of the chicken. Woo, hot. Hot, hot, hot. I'm going to pile these on here. Okay. So he's got the chicken. Then we're going to do corn. Just whole kernel. This is exactly how they make the KFC famous bowls. Then we do brown gravy all over the top. And then add some shredded cheese. Like this. Alright. And there you have your dinner is done. I got some green beans over here. If they want them on the side. Bannon is just getting... He doesn't want the mashed potatoes. So he's getting some chicken bites and an applesauce for him. And then I'll get one like Anthony, not as big. Alright. There it is, guys. Dinner in a jiffy. Budget friendly. I think, let's see. I cooked half the chicken, half the bag of chicken, so like $7. Two something for the mashed potatoes, like $2.30, and the corn was like $1. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Gravy pack is about $1, so $11, $12. Feed 3 people. It's a win. See y'all later. Bye.